Hi guys, so this is how to create a new Facebook account. Make sure that you turn on your VPN and you connect it to United States, Charlotte. Go to your settings and go to your time and date and put it at Toronto, Canada, just like this. Set up a new Gmail account. This is the account I'm going to be using, Emily Compagno, apple1@gmail.com. Download this app called Multi-Run, open it, clone Facebook inside of it and open it. Then click on create new account. Once you click on create new account, use invisible name to set it up. I've just inputted the invisible name. Click on next. Set, next, put the age. The age is 80. Next. Okay, any gender, click that. Just put a random number, it does not have to be correct. I've inputted next. Put the password. I've input the password, click on next. I agree. You are expected to get a confirmation code, but we'll be inputting the email, so I didn't get a code. Confirm by email, and then I will input the email I just created. So you click on next. Once a code is sent, I will input the code. I just received the code 64382. So I'll click on next. And my account is opened. Skip. Not now. Skip. Skip. So to use that email multiple times, come to your home settings. Come to your edit profile. Scroll down until you see this. So this is where the email is added. I'll click on add email. I'll head over to tempmail.com and get a temporary email. Go back and add it. I'll click on next. So I'll copy the confirmation code that I get. So this is the code 574659. I'll click on next. So I've added email, I'll close that. Then the first email that I added, I'll delete it. So I can use that email to add more accounts. Now that this account is created, let's edit the name with the verification. Go to edit profile, click on about you. So I'll input the verification. I would save that.